Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate Messenger. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's temporarily deactivate Messenger. Now, if you wanted to take a break from Facebook Messenger and temporarily deactivate, I'm going to show you your options and all the steps. Now let's head into Messenger here and we'll tap those three lines at the top left. Now let's tap on that gear icon at the top right, and on here let's scroll down and you can see at the very bottom is the Meta Account Center. So of course Meta owns Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, all those things. You can hit see more in Account Center and it will pop up with your different profiles in your account center. Now on here, let's tap on the personal details. And you can see at the very bottom is account ownership and controlling, including the ability to deactivate Messenger. So let's tap on that. And let's tap on deactivate, the second option. Now the key here is that it shows Facebook and Instagram, but not Messenger as an option. And the reason for this is Facebook has made it so that if you deactivate your Facebook account, it's included with Messenger. So there's no way to deactivate only Facebook Messenger and keep Facebook. You have to deactivate both at the same time. So it's up on Facebook here and hit continue. And it will ask us to enter our password in again. Let's enter that in and hit continue. There we go. So you can say I'll be back. Hit continue. And then at the very bottom, I recommend instead of choosing 7 days, choose don't reactivate automatically and hit done. Now let's hit continue. Keep in mind that it will deactivate Facebook Messenger, which is essentially what we want here. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you can hit deactivate my account. That will remove any information associated with your account temporarily from Facebook and Messenger. It will be as if you deleted your account, but you'll be able to get it back whenever you wanted to, just by logging into Facebook or Facebook Messenger. It will reactivate all that stuff, including all of your old messages. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.